where did you? Anything you want.
Should you invest in NEO or TRON, TRX? Considering how many believe that cryptocurrencies are the future, a lot of people have developed an interest in them. This interest grew even more since the digital coins gained additional popularity before the bear market hit back in January of this year. However, even though the prices went down, people still remained intrigued by the concept. As a result, we now have more cryptos, as well as more crypto investors, than ever before. While this is an excellent development for the crypto industry, many are often confused regarding which coin to invest in. Most decide to go for the coin close to the top, but not the top itself. They also wish to go for a coin that has quality, as well as a vision. This is why people often end up comparing NEO to TRON and trying to figure out which one has more potential. NEO or TRON, which one to choose? Both the NEO or TRON have a similar ultimate goal, which is to make the future a better place. They are both doing it in their own way. Both coins have previously been within the top 10 cryptos on CoinMarketCap, but have since dropped a bit lower on the list. Currently, TRX is leading by occupying the 13th spot, while NEO is following on the 14th place. Their shared ultimate goal, as mentioned, is to change the world with their product, and make it better for everyone in it. Their smaller goals, on the other hand, are quite different. TRON wishes to start by dominating and revolutionizing the entertainment industry. NEO, on the other hand, wishes to do the same in the area of smart contract and app development. In this regard, NEO is similar to EOS, which is often seen as its biggest competitor. Currently, NEO has over 66 dApps created on its blockchain. While the current leader in the number of dApps is undoubtedly Ethereum, the fact is that the quality of NEO's dApps is far greater. This is due to the larger costs of dApp creation, which is why only the best and most confident projects choose NEO. Ethereum, on the other hand, is much cheaper to use, and that is why more projects end up there. As for TRON, this coin has made an astonishing amount of progress throughout the year. It launched to mainnet, it held several token burns, it launched TRON Virtual Machine among other projects, and it even purchased BitTorrent for the purpose of a new project Atlas. Even so, its price remains pretty low and is currently valued at only $0.020549 per coin. NEO, on the other hand, is considerably more valuable, with a price of $18.65 per coin. While NEO obviously has more value per token right now, TRON has grown and expanded more than any other crypto. One of its biggest problems is large circulating supply and even larger total supply. Apart from that, this is a great project that is definitely worthy of investing in. This doesn't mean that NEO is bad. On the contrary, both of them are excellent projects, which are simply doing their thing in a different way from one another. This is also the reason why it is difficult to compare them and pick the better coin. Investing in either of them will require patience since investments in these coins are a long-term thing. As for which one to go for, that depends on the investors themselves. It all comes down to your own view of the project, and your own decision of their goal's value. TRON, TRX, versus NEO, a neck-to-neck battle to become the top 10 crypto. Whether you are a crypto investor or just an enthusiast, one of the most common things to observe in the cryptosphere is how certain coins move up and down on the lists. Also, how they continually seek to get the remarkable status of being a top crypto, a denomination because of which many coins fight closely with the deployment of different strategies to improve their performance, and with it, their market value. We can all agree in this matter, that the market is definitely ruled by Bitcoin, BTC and Ethereum, ETH, but still, there are a few spots available for other coins to occupy, and that is precisely what many tokens intend to do. Among them, we can count for sure TRON, TRX and NEO, two relatively new cryptocurrencies that seem to be relentless when it comes to strategically designing a plan that may guarantee the traction they need to escalate a little upper in the charts. Let's see how it goes. NEO and TRX ambitions. It results clear that the main intentions of these two cryptos are to design a better option than the one that Ethereum provides when it comes to the creation of dApps, a field in which developers are with tied hands somehow. In this sense, although Ethereum definitely has the lead with almost 2,000 decentralized applications on its platform, still both of them are making great progress in the development of specific applications of this kind. So far NEO has 60 decentralized applications in the oven, including RedPulse, Thiki, and AddX. For its part, TRON has a minimum of 9 in development and a bounty program to call for the attention of developers. NEO and TRON projects. One of the things that these two cryptos have in common is that they have been very outspoken when it comes to announcing their projects. In this sense, NEO recently announced on its Twitter account that the company is currently working on the 3.0 version of their platform. TRON, TRX on the other side has announced the strategic partnership with China's smart toilet giant, Mushroom. TRON launched its virtual machine on July 31 too, in addition to the revelation of its secret project, Project Atlas. So, clearly, more things are happening for TRON, TRX compared to NEO. Current performances of NEO and TRON at the time of writing. NEO is the crypto number 15th, was on the 11th spot not too long ago, in the market with a value of $21.17 per token, a trading volume of $53,587,145, and a decrease of 4% in price within the last 24 hours. TRON, TRX, on the other hand, now holds 3 positions above NEO with a price of $0.024, a trading volume of $134,959,748, and a lower decrease of 0.12% in the last 24 hours. Both TRON and NEO are looking forward to becoming the next top 10 of the market, and truth be told, both have great chances of making this a reality with the exciting projects on development and the expansion of dApps opportunities. TRON is leading the way currently, no doubt, but this was the case with NEO just a couple of weeks ago, was ahead of the TRX. It is just a matter of time before any of them manage to make it to the top. So stay tuned. NEO won't remain this cheap for much longer. NEO is one of the cryptocurrencies with the largest potential to become a representative of the third generation of cryptos. As such, it would be expected that its price would be high enough to top all other coins, and to maybe rival even Bitcoin and Ethereum. This is currently not the case. However, this situation might change soon enough. About NEO, as you probably already know, NEO is one of the most popular cryptos of the third generation. Its community is huge, and a lot of people have chosen NEO before any other coin, and for good reason. NEO is a crypto that was created as an improved version of Ethereum, ETH. It has recognized many of Ethereum's problems, and it has been working hard to fix them and to set a new standard on what crypto is supposed to be like. It has a large community, and is one of the digital coins with the strongest foothold in the Far East, considering that it is the favorite digital coin in China. This is extremely important for NEO since China is usually not very supportive of cryptocurrencies. Considering that they seem to like NEO and that it shares a lot of similarities to Ethereum, NEO has become known as Chinese Ethereum. The coin has entered a lot of partnerships so far and has had more than decent success in its 4 years of existence. And yet, despite a stable situation like that, NEO is still pretty underpriced, with its value being at $37.88 per coin. Many have been wondering why that is, and how is it possible that NEO cannot rise back to the top as it did in December 2017. Back then, this coin managed to hit $160 per token, and NEO enthusiasts are patiently waiting for the old price to come back. Well, as it turns out, they might not have to wait for long. Why this is the best time to buy NEO? NEO's price has mostly been going down ever since this year began, with only one large spike that occurred in mid-May. However, there are some indications that this coin can do a lot better. The low price is something that a lot of great cryptocurrencies share these days, and there might be a reason for it. According to some experts, this reason is closely connected to the psychology behind the purchase of cryptos. To explain this, we will have to briefly check the history of Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, the two largest cryptos to date. Both of them were very cheap at the beginning of their careers. Those who discovered them back in the day, and recognized their potential, saw that the time to buy cryptos is when their value is low. That way, people have purchased multiple coins for a single dollar. And, when the prices skyrocketed into hundreds or even thousands of dollars per coin, those people became millionaires overnight. Now, BTC and ETH are well-established coins, with their potential being known to everyone. However, coins like NEO, EOS, Ripple, and alike are still fighting to prove that they can be just as successful. By having a low price, they are allowing their users to join in, and not miss out on another opportunity to make a large profit through a small initial investment. After all, buying a lot of BTC or ETH these days is not exactly an option for most individual investors. Even if their prices did go up, there would not be much profit when it comes to small amounts of these coins. However, investing in an underpriced coin, even in NEO, which is relatively expensive when compared to many other coins within the top 20, can still make a large return. The fact is that it is only a matter of time before the crypto market picks up the pace once more. When that happens, the prices are expected to skyrocket again. The time will tell which crypto will walk in Bitcoin's and Ethereum's footsteps, and become the main coin of the third wave. However, a lot of people believe that NEO is the right way to go.